Hey guys, welcome to another video. Okay, so in this video I'll just be taking you guys along how I spent my Sunday, because today Obi is hosting his friends. Okay, so as a woman now, I say, since I've been doing this egg roll and this all this stuff, like all these snacks, I thought of making some snacks for them. Okay, so this egg roll is 13. Okay, so this is the egg roll. So if you need the recipe, you can check my previous video how I use it. Okay, so this is me just folding and all that. Okay, so if you have watched up to this time, please like and share. Okay, so this is the first batch of this egg roll. Omo, please call me for job. If you are watching this video, you want to do snacks, just call me. I'm ready. But hey, omo, the stress we did this thing, you will stand money. Since I started this thing since in the morning, guys. It's not easy to do snacks. Like, I need to do different flour. Like this flour that I'm using now is the other method of a snacks. That this method now is the same flour that I'm using. Is the remaining one that I'm using, but the one for the puff, like for the buns, it's not buns, it's puff. Okay, that one now I miss it separately because it's not the same ingredients you normally use. Okay, so I saw this method online. I saw it online, I think Ladies Big Kitchen. So I thought of giving it a try, and I've tried it. This is the third time that I'm trying this. You just cut it like this, roll it, make sure the thing is very low, then you start rolling it like this. Just roll it like this. At the end, how do you tackle the ending? You just use it to press the body of the this thing. So this is me frying this thing. Guys, do you know that a lot of people actually say, how do I prepare this thing? No, this thing is really taste good. Peculiar, now you are not a chef. I know most of you did not know that my name is Peculiar because this is my second page, which is Gift Latest. Yeah. So this is me just bringing them out and all those things. At this point, I was tired. Okay, I was just showing you guys my view in my kitchen. So this is the puff. Okay, so this puff, I left it for like even like 1 hour because I was doing the rest of that things and all that. So I say, before I will start this thing, let me take my bait, because this my house today will be full of a lot of people. Before I'll not say let me go and beat, I just beat before I start this thing, because I don't want, if not, I'll be really tired. Guys, I'm talking for my tired state. I'm so tired right now. So then I started arranging it on this pan. Okay, so I just arranging it on this pan. So if you want to do birthday, you need this type of snacks, just something like this. Okay, holla at your girl. Okay, your girl need money. This thing tastes really good. The people that ate this thing, they can testify. Okay, so they say they have been seeing it on my screen. That's and somebody told me, please, if you do this thing, just they call me. I beg, every day now they chop up for your scream. Finally, I don't chop this thing today. I beg, anytime we do a grow, I go tell my husband make on carry on. Guys, are you ready for the next vlog? Because that vlog is all those people, they want chop me. They wanted to chop me, because the egg roll and the snacks that I make, they finish everything. Guys, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Please like and share.